How to find dark mode settings on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find dark mode settings on Samsung Internet Browser. First thing, go to Samsung Internet Browser and click these three lines in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, click web page view and scrolling, and here you will find this one, dark mode. And as you see here, you can manage dark mode settings and just manage anything you want and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.